Page 29, power shovel. On page 29, we got more eighth notes. We're still in the key of G major, so there's one sharp, so all the F's are automatically going to be F sharped. And your left hand is moved a little bit. Remember the counting on eighth notes? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'll come back to that. And the left hand, look when it comes in. They want the fifth finger on the G. Because in the past, the fifth finger's been on F. You've been here. But now they want the fifth finger on G. That puts you here. You're in G position. We're in the key of G. It comes in handy. In the right hand, they want the fifth finger on G here. So now your hands are really overlapped. Now things, it gets to be a mess. There are better ways of handling this, but we're going to go ahead and do what they're suggesting. This, when the right hand or when the left hand comes in at the end of the line, those eighth notes here, 4 and 1. So the counting is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. That's for the whole thing. You just have to keep doing that all the way through. Your hand's got to get out of the way when the other hand needs those notes. You just move them out of the way. Don't move them. Keep them anchored. Keep the little finger anchored where it is, because you still ought to be able to play this without looking at the keyboard. Your hand's not moving around. It's just getting out of the way so the other hand can have the notes. And here, actually, the only notes the right hand needs are these notes. The G and the F sharp. The left hand gets all the rest. So if you want, just leave it this way. Just the left hand's on the bottom and the right hand's here, and you can just stay here. That's fine too. Whatever. I'll leave that up to you to work it out. But try and get it to where you can do it without looking at the keyboard. Now, I don't know if they're giving you a new note here or not. Have you had this note before in the bottom staff? Look at the second measure. You have a B, a C. You've had middle C before, but how about the D? If you had the D, if not, you got it now. So it's the note right above that first ledger line, or right above middle C. It's a D. You got to memorize that. You just know that's a D when you see it. So I'm going to give us 4 counts, and let's try this slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. Put your hands in the position they go. Ugh. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and off.